Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and I'm in love with this Ergobaby Carrier. Super soft, 100% cotton, and I really like this hood for the baby's head that you can adjust depending on the baby's size. And this privacy head cover, I really like it too because it can cover the baby's head whenever it's too sunny or the baby is asleep. So it helps me to keep him calm. I also like the carrier gives this M shape for his legs, so he feels secure. There is no stress on the hip. He is comfortable and he's calm. I really like that it's comfortable to wear. I don't feel the weight of the baby. I can carry him for several hours and I won't be sore. And that's my point of view.